Hey guys, this is first grade class. Talking to you about tornado sirens. Test them every week in the summer, and the reason they test them is because they didn't make sure they're working. And here's the real scenario: we got Federal Siren Single 508 and Esclops 8 downtown. And they're pretty loud.
But don't panic.
But don't panic.
It's only a test.
It's only a test. Gosh, Mom. Yeah.
If you have any questions,
If you have any questions, just tell my mom.
I'll try to answer for you.
And she'll try and answer them. If she doesn't know, she'll tell me. But yeah.
Have a great day.
Have a great day, and don't forget to check out my channel.
No!
Why?
No!